G'day and welcome to a tutorial on the Teacher Assistant looking at the AI agent Luna Search. Luna Search is a chatbot built on the GPT engine that encompasses a couple of very specific targeted tools. And the two tools that they are website scraping and an AI-powered search. So when you are looking for something on the internet, whether that be resources or articles, it is able to take your instructional language and base that into a variety of search patterns to be able to find that. So if I need a article, I am working with grade 9 students on World War II. I need insight articles for them to read. So this is where the instructional language comes in. So grade 9 students were looking for the complexity in language around that grade age. Obviously articles are written more likely for the adult population, but you'll be able to have a bit of a go. It depends what you're looking for. On World War II, I'm looking for that category, so it's going to instruct it to look for articles on World War II and also need insight articles, so on the basis around the category of article that I'm looking for. This is in well-rounded of whatever search you're looking for, so we'll send that out. So not only am I receiving the different types of articles, but it will give me the hyperlinks out to go and see them. So the difference between a search and a scrape we'll be able to have a look at. So if I have a look at, click one of these links and it'll take me out to wherever I'm looking for the articles and I can talk about. So if we have a little bit of a look, we get an explanation around what it's around, but also there's the article that it found on the internet for me, ready to go. So this is just contextual. This is such a small use case around the entire functionality of what this research bot is for. I'm looking for resources. I need resources that are hands-on for grade 2 math in Australia. Don't know, it shouldn't have to write Australia, but it's looking for resources for hands-on grade 2 math in Australia. Again, it's finding us on, it'll take us out to Scoodle, it'll take us out to Twinkle. This is not just around a tool for what we are, but these are around hands-on. So we're looking for the key SEO words and the characteristics of all these web platforms that are built into their searchability, and that's what the AI is searching for based on your instructions. We're looking on for, again, tag hands-on maths. We'll come back to that one in a moment, but we're going to go in and have a look at the scrape feature. Can you scrape number 2 and give me more info about it? If I ask for a summary or just give me the key points. So here again, there's the article around our hands-on maths. So I'll be able to go in and there's some resources there. If I change that on to, actually, I'll cut that out. Can I see more but are free? So now it'll look for that keyword again around the free. And again, it'll look for resources, grade 2 maths, and looking for some free ones. So the website offers a range of free grade 2 maths activities and worksheets designed for Australian students and so forth. That's just number 1. So what I'll look for here is around, this is Teach Starter, hands-on maths, Australian curriculum lessons. That looks pretty good, number 3. So I'll paste that in. So we're going to change that to number 3. A scrape is where it's going to read the text that's written on the web URL. So it's going to navigate itself to item number 3 and it's going to read everything on that page. So I'm just going to open that. So everything that's on this page, that's here, it won't click the links that are here, it'll click this page, and you're only limited by websites that might have a specific AI protection about copywriting, but mainly a lot of these free websites don't have any of that type of protection. Can you scrape number 3? Give me more info about it. So that will enable a separate tool called website scraping, because we've got 2 tools here, AI-powered search and scrape, and that will go in, read the information on here and generate, will give you more info. So now it's giving us the info about what that website offers. There we go. And all of its info came in. So now we're looking into some more targeted ones. I need Australian webinar professional development on AI. So what we're going to look for now is we're going to search your keywords specifically of what you're after, and we have some webinars that are free. So here we go, we've got some free webinar series. So if I click this out, it'll take us to where that webinar is as well. So we're looking at different dates that they are given as well. So here's our webinar. We can watch the recording, that's free, and so forth. So you've got quick access to the direct professional learning that you're after. Okay, so the difference between a Google search and a scrape has been identified. The use cases are absolutely limitless on what you're going to do. So just with those articles before, I need an article on Bondi Beach. I did this one before in a different chat. The same thing, it's going to search that and it's going to come up with a one. So now what I'm going to try and do is here's a cool one, I'm going to scrape that information in the same, and you scrape that platform and convert it into a 60-minute lesson plan for grade 4 maths. If I need to get, obviously you give a fair bit more context around what your objective might be or what your learning intention might be. But what we're going to do is scrape the content and use the information from that website to build the information that we would use inside of our lesson plan. As simple as that. So here we go. Got our lesson plan built on. So this science teachers, if you have a scientific concept that you'd like to teach, same thing, you can go and find where your resource is. You can scrape the content of exactly how it is and format that into a lesson or whatever you need to do. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and probably just mentioned a couple of things over here as well. So if you want to keep this information, go new chat and then we'll start again, and you are able to come over and change the names of these so you can keep them. If there's some work in there, you can come back and chat to it. So if I can chat to, I wanted some work, I want a dog. Anyway, so I was just having a bit of a test here. And same thing, World War II, there's our work that we did here. I did that earlier. And Bondi Beach, we can come back and look into that one. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.